Get ready to practice word recognition in this episode of Library Make. Learning how to read can be a daunting task for emerging readers, especially when they need to sound out each letter in the word. We will create an early literacy activity that will help your child practice word pattern recognition using word families. Word families, also called phonograms, are groups of words that share the same ending pattern, such as hat, cat, and mat. Did you notice all three words rhyme? End with the letters A and T, and end with the at sound. Using a readily available items at home, let's make a word family sorting station.